Hi and welcome to another tutorial. Today we're going to build a circuit component in KiCad. So we're going to open it up. Ooh. So they have schematic editor, symbol editor, PCB editor, footprint editor, curvers. Wow, they just have it all kind of separated out. So we are going to make a symbol. So we're going to go to symbol editor, copy a default global symbol. And we're gonna create an empty one. We're gonna hit OK. OpenGL. We're missing OpenGL, but it opened. I'll have to look into that later. I'm not sure what that's about. It's still opened. Alright. So first we got to figure out where... I got some icons off to the side here. Hold on. There we go. So, select items. We're in millimeters. Crosshair window. Create a new symbol. No symbol library selected. Oh, we want to create a new library. That's basically what we... And we're gonna call this library, we'll just call it our LED lib. Alright, so we have a library now, and now we're gonna create a new symbol. So either file, new symbol, N, or here's a button, or you hit N. Symbol name, we're gonna do a diode. Oh, this is the designator, sorry. Designator is a diode. Symbol name is red diode or red LED. You could derive from another one. Body style, it's not a power symbol. We're not going to exclude it from anything. Show pin numbers. Ooh, the offset, they're doing the 508. Okay. Ooh, that's really zoomed in. So it automatically put a D symbol down for you. I'm assuming we can select and move that. Alright. And usually, this looks like pin. Yep. So we're going to add our pins. And we're going to do one. So, pin number, let's see, pin name. So the pin number is the important one. The pin numbers, you always want pin 1 and pin 2. Pin name is where you could do like, usually like a negative or something else. The easiest thing is just the same. It is an output. Because the diode definitely goes one direction, so we could put it as an output. And the orientation is left. Hit OK. Put our output. And we're going to put another pin. And this is our pin 2. This is actually an input. And it's going to be on the right side. Alright. There is our pin 1 and pin 2. And usually... Yep. So, and sometimes you can actually turn off the visibility on just the numbers, but I'm not seeing it. Okay, we're gonna leave that as is then. Alright, so now our line. Hold on, a line. So we're gonna draw a line straight down. Make our triangle. Finish. Ooh. It actually added that. Hold on. Wasn't expecting it to add that part. Okay. Keep selecting my pins. I'm gonna move them out a little ways just for real quick. Let's do that again. Ooh. Finish at that point, and come down here. So I'm just right clicking. So I'm just drawing and then right clicking and hitting finish. to do the drawing. And then we're gonna go ahead and add, where's our grid? So here's our grid. Usually there's a way to switch the grid to a different size. I am not seeing it in this program. Sometimes when you zoom in, you'll get different sizes. Nope. Alright. So, I am not seeing a way to change grid size. Let's see. Grid properties. Here it is. Alright, we're 2.54. And I did this in another program. So 2.54, divide it in half, divide it in half. I like the 0.635 grid. Oh, it's doing 0.245 instead of 2.45. So, is what I was expecting the grid to be at. That didn't seem to change anything interesting. And then we're gonna switch it to 0.635. Oh, those are user-defined grid. Oh, cancel that. That 0.254 is fine. I want to change the grid to 0.63. Yeah. Okay, so this grid was already just slightly smaller than I expected it to be, so I'm going to switch some things here. I'm going to go back to preferences. Sorry. View, grid properties. I wonder where... It's too bad they didn't put the grid properties on this bar right here. We're going to go up to the 2.54. And I'm going to redraw my triangle. And right-click finish. Right-click finish. Cancel. Boom. Click this. Boom. Alright. And then we're going to go back to get properties. I'm going to drop it down to 0.63. And this is just so I can get the arrows kind of how I want them. I might have to move that just so I stop hitting it. Whoop. I like the arrow. Oops, I accidentally added that again. There we go. And then, boom. Finish. Alright, and we are done with that. We're going to select. Alright. And there is our schematic symbol for our diode. Here's the reference designator. They automatically put it in for you, so it's right here. I usually like to line it up. Right along the top. And that's it. I mean, that was pretty straightforward. We're gonna save. Alright, right here it does look like it allows you to do symbol properties. Reference. We can show the value. We don't have a value. It looks like you could add the footprint name, which we don't have a footprint built yet. And so we'll have to probably come back in here, and I don't think I even have a library. Yep. Oh, here's the footprint. So there is a footprint library. We'll get into that here shortly. But for this video, I'm just gonna show the schematic symbol. In the next video, we'll build the footprint, and then we'll go ahead and link it back to this component. So, thank you for watching.